Hello guys, this is Rohan and today I have the new LG Smart TV with the AI facilities. I just bought it and I thought I should review it, so let's start. So turning on the TV, there's a screensaver automatically saved in this TV, and when I press the home button it shows the apps that are pre-installed in the LG TV. So these are the pre-installed apps. As you can see, the Prime Video, Eros, Woot, etc. You can also download the other apps from the LG Play Store, sorry, the LG Content Store. Moving on to the settings. So this is the picture mode. So here you can change the picture mode. There are several options. So when you change the picture mode, so it changes the contrast and everything automatically, which is pre defined. The next is the aspect ratio. So it's upon you, like how much you want to keep it. So there are several options. The next is, sorry, so this is the start the recording and the pause of the recording option. You have to insert the USB drive to start recording. It will automatically save in it. So this was a little bit about recording. Even I didn't know that, so I got to know it now. The next is the sound mode. Again, in the sound mode there is only one cinema. I have set it. The next is the sound out. So you want to um which sound you want from the TV, like the internal TV speaker or the optical or the Bluetooth device, etc. You can choose it accordingly. This is the sleep timer. Suppose if you want to sleep, so you can set the timer like 30 minutes or 10 minutes. It will count down from that time. This is the connection. So you can insert the Ethernet wire in it for the internet. The next one is the Wi-Fi connection. So if you have a Wi-Fi, so you can also uh, insert the password and it will get connected. Yeah, so as you can see, it's now connected. You can also connect a dongle if you have 3G or 4G USB dongle to activate the network connection. Next one is the device connector. So if you have a soundbar or Bluetooth speaker, game console, set-top box, anything, smartphone, so then you can connect it. This is the screen share option, which everyone must be knowing it. You have to turn the NFC on and then you can see the phone's content on your TV. So this is just the information on how you set the screen share on your TV. So these are the steps, and this is a computer content. If you want to share the computer content, then these are the steps accordingly. You have to just follow it. It's as simple as that. One thing is that you have to start from again when you go into one option. So moving on, this is the mobile TV. So if you want to turn your mobile into TV, or you want to see mobile's content into TV, then you can um, use it by Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. This is the screen share settings. I haven't done it yet, but this is a normal default one which everyone has. Moving on, this is the brightness and sorry, the energy saving. So if you set it to medium, then it will increase the brightness, and if to maximum, then it will increase the brightness. So I prefer to set it to auto. The next one is a picture test. So this just tests like if you can see the picture on the screen in fully, and you can see the quality of the picture of HD and UHD. That's it, just to test if your screen is working fine. The next thing is I think the sound. No, there's something in additional settings. So this is the eye comfort mode. If you select it, you get a yellowish color on your TV to comfort it to your eyes. So it's up on you. The next one is program tuning. So if you set it to auto tuning, then it will save the programs automatically. There are live programs, but I haven't turned it on, so that's why I cannot see it. Okay, so this is a sound mode. Sound settings, this is the adaptive sound settings. It will automatically adjust the sound, but this only works in the internal speaker. If you want to select another sound output, then you can select it from here. This is the AI acoustic. So depending on the room's sound, it will automatically turn on the sound and adjust the sound settings accordingly. It will consume much power, so that's why I have turned it off. The next thing is volume mode. If you want to select it to high, low, medium, it depends on you. Next thing is it has the Dolby Digital sound. So if you want to select any of the sound mode, you can select it. This is the AV sync. Like if you have a cable TV, so if you turn it on, so then it will automatically sync. Also, there is a software update in my TV, so yes, I have started to install it. So uh, this is if you want to set the internal TV speaker volume, and this is bypass. Next thing is the program manager. In program manager, like if you want to edit your live programs, then you can do it from this option. I have no live programs currently on, or anything from radio or TV, so this feature is not available for me right now. So from here you can do everything for your programs. Next thing is the Wi-Fi connection. Like if I want to change my Wi-Fi, then I just need to select the other Wi-Fi name and enter the password, then it will automatically get connected. This is the general settings. This is the language, like which language you prefer. There are many languages pre-installed in this TV. As you can see, English, Tamil, Telugu, Gujarati, Marathi, Punjabi, every language, Indian language. If you want to select the primary audio language for menus and everything, then you can change it. This is a secondary if you want to hear the second language, just in case. Moving on, this is a location. I have set my country to India. The next is the time and date. I have selected to set automatically. It again, it depends on you. If you want to change it, you can change it like this. If you want to change the time zone to custom, you can select the state or anything. Next is the timers. So if you want to start a timer, so you can do it with this setting. So if you want to turn the timer off after a particular event, so you can do that. So this is the AI service. So for better experience, it will automatically recommend some TV programs based on your usage history. This is the one AI feature that LG has added. Again guys, this is a 4K Ultra HD TV which has internal speaker with a woofer in it. I will show you at the end. So this is the LG account. I haven't signed it yet. I need to sign it. I'll sign it later. So moving on, the next is the echo mode. This is the HDD echo mode. This is the HD TV for high definition. And as you can see, my update is currently in progress. If you want, you can select automatic updates on. This is a general user guide and settings and manual of the TV. So in additional settings, you have the home promotion. So if you want to select the home promotion, then home animation, if you want animation effect on home on your home dashboard, I will show you the dashboard. This is a quick start. So if you want to quick back on the TV, so it will keep the TV in standby mode. This is cookies. So if you it will save the cookies. If you want, then you can turn it off or clear the cookies, then it will stop saving the cookies based on your history. The standby light, the wireless keyboard, you can connect your wireless keyboard via Bluetooth. This is settings help, so you can see this information of each and every settings. This is a screensaver if you want to stop it, to save battery, save the power. This is a no signal image, so nothing will show when you go to settings or anything. This is a home mode or the store mode. This is only for the display purpose. So now we are in home mode, so we don't need the store mode. So there is also a safety feature in it. So let me turn it on. Yeah, so we can select the rating, we can set the rating, and we can choose lock for each and every program which is above the preferred rating. So if the rating is like below 2, then we can lock it so no one can see that program. This is the application lock. So you can lock any application which is like YouTube or Hotstar, Heroes, web browser, anything. So this is the input logs. You, if you want to input log the HDMI port or any output component, then you can do it. If you want to reset the password, then yes, you need to enter the old password and enter the new password, then it will reset it. This is the pointer option. If you want to select the pointers small, large, medium. As you can see, this is the pointer tracking speed. This is the same as you get in your laptop and your mouse. These are the subtitles. If you want to turn on the subtitles in different languages, is also available. You have to just insert the file. This is the audio description. So this is for visually impaired viewers who wish to use the TV. So you need to turn it on. So this gives audio description. This uh, this is the same thing. If you have a hearing problem, then you need to turn it on. This is high contrast, so it increases the contrast of your TV. Next is the dashboard. So this is the dashboard of the new LG TV. This is based on your usage. So I haven't used it much, so there's nothing in it. I just have used the internal TV speaker just for testing, and that's it. So it also works with the AirPlay, audio, everything I said earlier. This is the AV mode. So if you have a cable connection, then you can use this AV mode. This is Bluetooth audio playback. If you want to hear your audio to your Bluetooth speaker or through your smartphone speaker, then you can do this. So yeah, so this is the amazing dashboard, and using its AI techniques, it can show you your preferred apps or everything that you use the most. Let's see the AV settings. So this is the AV. This is my cable connection. This is a nice feature. Like if you wish to look a preview of it, it will show you in the minimized window. Then you can see it in the full video. I currently don't have the HD setup box, so it will not show you the video in HD, but as far as I can see, the picture quality is very good. As you can see, it's very good picture quality, ultra HD, but not HD setup box, so that's a minor problem for me, but I'll change it soon. But the picture displayed in it, it's 4K ultra HD, so it's very good. If you want to edit, you can edit the home dashboard by clicking the top right option, and you can change it. That's it. And guys, this TV also has a 35-watt inbuilt woofer, and it works very fine with the Dolby Digital plus sound quality. And I think it's a good choice to buy this TV. And that's it.